Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to lock Mac folders with a password. First, open Disk Utility, found in your Applications/Utilities folder. From the File menu, select New Image and then Image from Folder. Choose the folder you wish to protect. Next, select a strong encryption method such as 256-bit AES and create a secure password. This process creates a password-protected disk image containing your sensitive files. To create your encrypted disk image, navigate to Disk Utility. Once open, go to the File menu, select New Image, and then Image from Folder. Browse to and select the specific folder you wish to secure. After selecting, you'll be prompted to name your new disk image and choose where to save it. Remember, this image will contain all the files from your chosen folder, securely encrypted. Now for the crucial security settings. In the encryption drop-down, select 256-bit AES encryption for robust protection. For the image format, choose read/write so you can add or remove files later. Then, enter a strong, unique password and verify it carefully. Finally, click Save to initiate the creation of your password-protected disk image. This might take a few moments depending on the folder size. To access your secure folder, simply double-click the DMG file you created. A prompt will appear asking for your password. Enter the password you set to unlock and mount the disk image. It will appear as a drive on your desktop. You can then drag and drop files into or out of it. When you're done, simply eject the disk image to relock your folder, keeping your data safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.